Hi, my name is Gabriel Van Ingen and I'm the Senior Lecturer and the Course Leader on BA Honours Photography at Arts University Plymouth. As a photography student, you'll explore the potential of photography within the context of contemporary visual culture. You will immerse yourself in the creative and technical production skills using a range of traditional and emerging technologies, both on location and in the studio. You'll be encouraged to develop your own visual practice whilst exploring the potential of the photographic medium to explore narrative and story-driven projects of people and place that are reflective and responsive to both historical and contemporary issues in both the local and the global environment. Get ready to explore the potential of the world of contemporary photography. You will work on exciting projects in urban landscapes, cultural spaces and professional studio environments. Our course prepares you for a variety of career paths by giving you opportunities to collaborate with industry names and exhibiting at prestigious events such as our photography festival, in magazine features and visits to Paris Photo. At the Arts University Plymouth, our photography students enjoy exclusive access to cutting-edge resources with over 6,000 pieces of equipment available from our resource centre. Experience a state-of-the-art darkroom, photographic studios, our digital print bureau and industry-standard equipment. Plymouth is an artistically vibrant city. It's a haven for aspiring creatives. The city is a culturally rich community that nurtures personal and professional growth in a safe and affordable environment. It has a dynamic cultural scene including museums, galleries, shopping and indie cafes, as well as a stunning natural landscape. Plymouth seamlessly combines urban living with outdoor adventures. From easy and fast connections to major cities such as Bristol and London, to tranquil seaside scenery, it's all within walking distance of the Arts University Plymouth. Join us at Arts University Plymouth and transform your passion for art into a thriving career. Unleash your creative potential, dive into limitless possibilities and become part of a vibrant community shaping the future of contemporary art. To find out more about our photography course, follow the link in the description and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.